Specific heat capacity is the amount of energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. So a substance with a high specific heat capacity requires a lot of energy to change its temperature, while a substance with a low specific heat capacity requires less energy. In this video, I'll go over the formula for specific heat capacity and how to apply it in calculations, and in the next video, I'll cover the required practical. Specific heat capacity is measured in joules per kilogram degrees Celsius, and you can use the specific heat capacity of a substance to calculate the change in thermal energy. To do this, you can use the formula change in thermal energy equals mass times specific heat capacity times change in temperature. ET stands for the thermal energy, which is measured in joules. The triangle symbol in front of it is the Greek letter delta and shows that it's a change in thermal energy. M stands for the mass of the substance, which is measured in kilograms, and C stands for the specific heat capacity, which, as mentioned before, is measured in joules per kilogram degrees Celsius. Finally, the circle with a line through it is the Greek letter theta, and it stands for the temperature, which is measured in degrees Celsius. Since there is also a triangle in front of this symbol, it shows that it's a change in temperature. Remember that you can always rearrange the formula if you need to find the mass, specific heat capacity, or the change in temperature. Here's an example of a calculation. A 1.5 kilogram block of water is heated from 20 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, and the specific heat capacity of water is 4,180 joules per kilogram degrees Celsius. To calculate the change in thermal energy, first find the change in temperature by subtracting 20 from 80. 80 minus 20 is 60, so the change in temperature is 60 degrees Celsius. Now you can substitute the values into the formula to get the change in thermal energy equals 1.5 times 4,180 times 60. Type this into your calculator to get a final answer of 376,200 joules, or 376.2 kilojoules, which is the change in thermal energy when the block of water is heated. Here's another example. A 0.5 kilogram sample of metal is heated from 25 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius. It absorbs 10,000 joules of energy. To calculate the specific heat capacity, you need to rearrange the formula to make C the subject. C equals the change in thermal energy divided by the mass times the change in temperature. Now you can start working it out. Once again, start by finding the change in temperature. 75 minus 25 equals 50, so the change in temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. Now you can substitute the values into the formula to get C equals 10,000 over 0.5 times 50. Type this into your calculator to get a final answer of 400. So the specific heat capacity of the metal sample is 400 joules per kilogram degrees Celsius. Here are 3 practice questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. Once you've finished answering these questions, press play. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.